How to add someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. So what you're going to do is whenever you open WhatsApp and go to the search bar and search for a specific number which is not in your contacts, and when you search for that number over here you'll be able to see that you cannot text them directly. So what you're going to do is just click on cancel, and you can either click on that specific number when someone sends you, and once you click on that it will say send a message on WhatsApp. So you can just click on that, and after that you'll be able to send them a message. Or you can even click on this plus icon over here, and after that it says search name or number. So you can type a number down over here and it says new group, new contact, new community, new broadcast. So you can just type that number down over here, and if that number is on WhatsApp you'll be able to see their number pop up over here in chats, and then you can just text them. So that was basically how you can add someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.